Dr. Michelle Holt will be looking to take a no-nonsense approach to her new post with the Jamaica Hockey Federation as she looks to turn the sport around. Daniel McLeod reports.
Newly minted Jamaica Hockey Federation Technical Director of the Senior National Program, Dr. Michelle Holt, is hoping to reinvigorate the sport by improving the overall standard of play right across the board. Dr. Holt says for too long the anything goes mentality has poisoned the sport.
Players will have achieved a certain standard to be accepted into the national team. The standard will be well known to the players and to their coaches, and it will be up to the coaches to improve the standard of the players to ensure that the players are up to that level. We're not going to accept players who are incomplete in their...
Dr. Holt is also placing special emphasis on the CSC games.
One of my priorities will be to get our senior team becoming medal contenders again at the CSC games. I think for the last 4 CSC games, we have been the bottom half of the table and always have to go back to qualifiers. We've started fixing that in the last CSC game, and now we want to go for medals in this upcoming CSC games, and then to make sure that we stay there over the next few years.
Dr. Holt, while not being directly responsible for youth hockey, says the work has to begin there.
I think to improve the hockey in Jamaica, the first thing that has to be done is get a player development pathway that the players know, the coaches know, at the school level and at the club level. To get that to just be the philosophy of Jamaica's hockey, that the fundamentals at the appropriate ages are known, and then to have the coaching education for those players.
The announcement of Dr. Holt's appointment was made earlier this week. Daniel McLeod reporting for TVJ Sports.